Good, yeah, enthusiastic evening to each and every one of you. So today we have Ishita, Arshida, Funny, and Shakareen. Okay, guys. So today directly we will jump to the session, and today, welcome to day number 18. Welcome to day number 18. And today, what are we going to read? That is all about our to-do list. Let me show you something,
Oh,
and we will start. Day number 18, the magical to-do list. Before we jump into the session, let me ask you, how many of you have that practice? How many of you make like a to-do list? Have you ever made a to-do list? How many of you have that habit of making list? Okay, first has. Yeah, Ishita, what about you? Arshida, Shakreen?
I
Do you
used to do it in college life.
college life?
no,
Okay, so
ma'am.
that
Actually,
time.
I don't even like if I write it, but in my mind goes on कि मुझे इसके बाद इसका ये करना है. That's it.
Okay, good, good. Something like you are doing. Not everything you are doing, yes, something. Yes, something is better than nothing, right? Something is better than you must have read or heard somewhere. Something is better, something you are doing, right? Okay, guys, there are two types of people. Yeah, although there are many types of people, but in the context of today's session, I would like to tell you that there are two types of people. The first type is mood driven people. Mood. Those who rely on moods, they are mood driven. So sometimes they are sad, sometimes they are happy, sometimes they are angry, sometimes they are very happy. So that is mood driven. If they are happy, they would like to do something. If they are not happy, they will not like to do anything. So that is also one of the types, mood driven people. If they feel better, they will do something. If they don't feel good, so they will not do anything. So that is mood driven. Okay. The second type of people is calendar driven. Calendar driven. So whatever is written over there, they will have to do it. Whatever it is, what come may, they will be doing that, because that is written on their calendar. If they have to get up in the morning at 4 a.m., they have to get up in the morning at 4 a.m. What come may, they will have to get up at 4 a.m. If they have that habit of sleeping early at 9:30 or 10 p.m. or 10:30, so that is fixed for them. They people are calendar driven. दुनिया इधर की उधर हो जाए, but they will not leave their calendar. So what kind of a person you are? Right? So calendar, who are the successful people? Calendar driven people are successful people. Otherwise, our life is going on autopilot mode. So we are just going with the flow. We don't know what we have to do. If something comes, we will leave whatever we are doing right now, and we will start doing something else. If something comes, because there is no planning. If there is no planning, then if something comes, we will start doing that thing. And our all the important things will be parked here. All the important things will be waiting, and we will be just going with the flow. If friend calls, party mein chale. If I'm preparing for my content, and if I'm doing something good, and like if my friend calls and she says, yeah, come Punam, can we go for the party? And if I say yes, so that means what? Yeah, if I go to the party, I'll be very happy. So that is mood driven. But who are the successful people? Calendar driven. So that's why it's very important to make your to-do list. So I would like to share
Okay.
one story. So there was a lady. So this is just the story. I don't know whether it is real or no. Okay, so there was a lady called Meera. Okay, she had that habit of making the to-do list. So every time, whenever she used to make the list, she felt very heavy, a lot of burden, a lot of things to do, a lot of confusion, a lot of overwhelm. She was always overwhelmed. So she started making the list like, I have to get up at this PM, then I have to do the cooking, I have to prepare breakfast, after that I have to do the dishes, after that I have to wash the clothes, I after that I have to prepare the lunch, and after that I have to take some rest. I After that I have to do some my office work, and then I have to like prepare the dinner, I have to make the kids sleep. So this is a long list. So whenever she was making the list, so she was being overwhelmed, because In a list, we can see so many things and we become overwhelmed. So she went to her mentor, and her mentor suggested that, Meera, whenever you make the list, before that, each and every task, you write the word thank you. Thank you that I have to do this. Thank you that I have to do this. Thank you that I have to do this. Thank you for making, thank you for like, I will be preparing the breakfast, which will help my like kids to grow. So in this way, she started doing in that way. And that created the magic in her life. Because after that, she felt very happy. Whatever she was doing, the tasks were same. She had to do a lot many things. She had to do the same thing. Situations are same, circumstances are same, people are same, everything is same. So what changed? She changed. She only changed. She changed her way of doing the things. So now my story, the real story. So earlier we, when my maid didn't come any day, so I was like, oh my God, a lot of thing I have to do. I was being very angry, frustrated, and tired, and exhausted, and lethargic. So now, new me, new me. Whenever my like maid doesn't come, so I always choose peace over my pace. I'm happy with my pace. I'm happy whatever it is. So I just play one music, Sukhveer ka gana, and do the dance. Do the dance. So now I don't take tension. It's okay, yaar. If we are happy, we will be able to do in a better way. If she
That's
doesn't
right.
come, it's okay. पानी गरम करती हूँ, मैं खुद ही बर्तन धो लेती हूँ. It's okay, but I enjoy. But I enjoy. But earlier me, it was not like that. So if we are grateful, yeah, it's okay. हो जाएगा. थैंक यू फॉर द मैग्निफिशेंट आउटकम. वाओ, कितने सुंदर बर्तन धोए मैंने. इतने तो मेरी मेड भी नहीं धोती है. Like that. So it's up to you. You just have to shift your energy. If you shift your energy, you can shift your life as well. So today we are going to talk about to-do list. So how we have to make and what kind of changes we have to do while making the list, if we are making, right? So the magical to-do list. Look at this beautiful picture. So what do we see in this? So there are some balloons, and there is this to-do list.
To-do list.
There is this to-do list. Can you see this list? And this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
this is going to be the magical. This is not the normal list. This is not the normal list that you make daily. See, this is magical list. If you start your each and every task, your to-do list wala task with the gratitude, right? So it will become the magical to-do list, and you will feel very light like balloons, and you will be able to do each and every task written in your list, being very light, being very energetic. Okay, so this is about
Yes.
to-do list today. So here we go. The world is full of magical things waiting for our wits to grow sharper. The world is full of magical things. So that we all know that the world is full of magical things waiting for our wits to grow sharper. But why some people are not getting all those magical things? Because the universe is waiting for our wit to become the brilliant, to become the intelligent. If we don't have that power to grasp each and everything, whatever universe wants to send us, if we don't have that intelligence, if we don't have that wisdom to adapt, right? So how we are going to receive it? Because we don't have that wisdom, right? For that we will have to become sharper. Let's say we have to cut an apple, right? So there are two knives. There is one butter knife, and there is this simple knife जिससे हम काटते हैं. So which one is better? The second one is better, right? So if we cut the apple with the second knife, which is sharp one, so we will get the better result, right? So if we become sharper, if we become sharp, if we become more intelligent, because right now the universe is giving us the clues, but we are not able to receive all those things because we don't have that wisdom to accept each and everything, to accept people, because we are weak. अभी हम में नहीं इतना एनर्जी है, इतना नहीं पावर है हम में, right? So that this line is telling. So really, when you think about it, gratitude is our best friend. So gratitude is our best friend. It is always there for you, always available to help you. Universe wants to help us. Universe is always available for us. It will never fail you or let you down. Universe will never let us come down. And the more heavily you lean on it, the more it will do for you and the more it will enrich your life. Today's magical practice will show you how to lean on gratitude even more so it can do far more magical things for you. The God, the universe is ready to help you, to support you, to handhold you, to show you, to give you all the things, whatever universe has, whatever the God has. So they are ready to give you each and everything. But we don't have that power to receive all those things, whatever they want to give us. Right? And gratitude is the only can make it happen. If we start doing this practice, the whole universe, the whole world will conspire it to happen for you. Right? Every day there are little life problems that come up that need solving. Sometimes we can feel overwhelmed if we don't know how to solve a situation. Maybe your problem is that you don't have enough time for all the things you need to do and you are at a loss because there are only 24 hours in a day. Sometimes we might think that only 24 hours there. So earlier me I used to think यार थोड़ा टाइम और होता मैं ये कर सकती मैं यो कर सकती मैं वो कर सकती. Right, everybody has that 24 hours. But it may be that you feel overwhelmed from work and you want more free time, but you can't see any way to have it. You may be at home taking care of children and you are feeling frazzled or exhausted, but you don't have the means to get support to give you time out. But sometimes we don't get support from the family, from the spouse, from the kids, and we feel exhausted, we feel tired, frazzled, overwhelmed. You may be faced with a problem that needs fixing, but you have no idea which way to turn to fix it, how to fix the problem. You may have lost everything or something or tried your best to locate it, but had no luck. Or you might want to find something like the perfect pet, perfect babysitter, great hairdresser, or amazing dentist or doctor, and despite your best efforts, you haven't been able to find what you need. You could be you could be in an uncomfortable situation because of something a person has asked you to do and you don't know how to respond to them. Or you could be in some kind of dispute with someone and instead of getting it resolved, things seem to be getting worse. So you all might have faced all these situations. Sometimes we don't get support, sometimes we don't get time, sometimes we don't have money, sometimes we don't have the money for domestic help. Everything we have to do by our own. Right? So these are the things that sometimes we are searching for a babysitter when our kids are very small. Sometimes we have to go to any like beauty parlor and we don't have time to do all this kind of fixing of makeup and like facial bleach, all these things. Sometimes we want to go to dentist or doctor, we don't have time, we don't have support कि बच्चों को कहाँ छोड़ें, कैसे करें, क्या करें. Despite your all the best efforts, so you are not able to do anything because everybody has only 24 hours and we feel like यार थोड़ा टाइम और होता, थोड़ा टाइम और होता. But how you can resolve all these issues? With gratitude. If we add gratitude before we want to do anything, if you don't have support, so add thank you in your to do list that I want to do this. So earlier when my daughter like didn't do anything, वो कुछ करती नहीं थी, so the same practice I also did. So how did I do? I'm grateful for my daughter that she is very organized. She is keeping all the things from where she is taking up. So she is being very organized. She is very nice. She is very obedient. She always listens to me. She always helps me. So in this way, like you people will have to do it because it doesn't look nice na every time we are after people. Why don't you do this? Why don't अपना भी दिमाग खराब करो, उनका भी करो. They also feel frustrated, we also feel frustrated, we also feel like tired, agitated. They also feel the same because people mirror. If we say why don't you talk to me, they will say why don't you talk to me. If I say my husband always does this to me, if you ask my husband, so he will also say you always do this to me. Because people mirror. Whatever you are saying about somebody else, that person also is feeling the same thing about you.
Mm.
That this is deep, but this is amazing, and this is the truth. This is the fact. Whatever you are thinking about people, they also have the same thing about you. They also feel the same thing about you because people mirror, right? So in this way, whatever like small things you are facing nowadays, small challenges, small situations are coming, they people don't listen to how you can fix them with the help of gratitude only. And this is magical. This is magical. Okay, so let's read out. This magical to-do list practice will help you with any little, any little day-to-day problems. When you don't know what to do, or when you simply want something to be done for you will be amazed at the results. आपको चाय भी चाहिए ना, बस आपको बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. You just think on it. You just think on it and be grateful. Be grateful. That thank you, Tanya, for such a beautiful tea. And you will get that tea on your table. Pass it to universe and don't doubt it कि कैसे चाय आएगी. But it is coming. You have to believe it. You have to trust it. Keep that trust because what you believe, what you think, you feel, you will get it. Leave it on universe how it is coming on your way. Don't doubt, but it is coming. But we will have to practice it, guys. First, we have to start with small thing like tea only. Tea is a very small thing. You will get it. But believe it, right? So we people तो can move the mountains also. चाय कौन सी बड़ी बात है, right? If you believe, you can move the highest mountains, right? When you combine gratitude's magical power with the law of attraction, gratitude, magical power with law of attraction, people, circumstances, events must be rearranged to do what you want done for you. जो आप अपने लिए करना चाहते हो, the universe, the people, the circumstances, they will do it for you. And you will be amazed, you will be shocked to see the result. Universe will do it. This is universe responsibility. You will attract what you want. You will attract. The whole universe will conspire to make it happen for you. उसकी ड्यूटी है अब. You will not know how it will happen or how it will be done for you. That is not our job. That is not your job. Your job is simply to be as grateful as you can be for what you want done right now, as though it were done. You just like tathastu, हो गया, this is done, no doubt. And then let the magic happen. Magic को होने दो. It is we only that we are not allowing us to like magic to happen. It is we only. We are stopping magic to happen because we are not believing. We don't trust. We don't have that faith. So it is we that we are not allowing that magic to happen. हम ही खुद मैजिक को होने नहीं दे रहे हैं अपनी लाइफ में because we don't believe. That is the only reason. If you had that doubt, that means you are not allowing it to happen. आप खुद ही अपनी सक्सेस को, खुद ही थिंग्स को मैजिकल होने से रोक रहे हो. So today, create a written to-do list of the most important things you would like to be done and resolved for you, and title your list the magic to-do list. So this was my biggest problem with my daughter. यार मैं इतना like तान्या इतने काम है मुझे, तू इतना छोटा सा नहीं कर सकती. I was like that only. But now everything is very smooth. She is taking care of her things by her own. So you might put things on your list that you don't have time to do or don't want to do, along with any current problems, from the smallest day-to-day things to bigger life situations. Think through This is true though, yeah. Think through any area of your life where you need something resolved or done for you. So today you have to think upon something, whatever you want to resolve in your life. Because of what you people are getting angry, because of what you people are getting agitated, because of what you people are getting frustrated. किसका आपको स्ट्रेस हो रहा है सबसे ज्यादा? थिंक अपॉन इट कि कौन सी चीज आपको द होल डे सिंस मॉर्निंग टिल कौन सी चीज आपको सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम कर रही है. And for that we will be doing gratitude practice. When you have finished making your list, once you are done with your list, okay, so choose 3 things from your list to focus on today. और स्टार्ट विद वन. आई से स्टार्ट विद वन जो आपको बहुत ज्यादा बॉदर कर रही है. समथिंग इज बॉदरिंग यू दैट आई वॉन्ट टू रिजॉल्व इट. Okay, so think upon it. You can write 10, but you have to start with 3 or start with 1. First, you start with 1. Because that was my biggest issue. Ki whenever I looked at her, so I was being very angry. Ki why every time I have spoken 100 times, 1,000 times? No, we don't have to speak 10 times, 100 times, or 1,000 times. So why we are getting the same result? Because I was doing the same thing again and again. Being angry, being agitated, being angry, being agitated, frustrated. Why don't you do this? Why don't you do this? I have spoken to you 10 times, multiple times, 100 times. Why don't you listen to me? Guys, if you are doing the same thing again and again, again and again, again, you will get the same result. If you want to see a like different result, you will have to do something different. So try something different. So gratitude means gratitude is something different. We haven't tried. If we try it for small things. Thank you. Tanya is becoming very obedient. Tanya always listens to me. Tanya always respects me. Like that. I'm just giving you the example. So whatever you want to resolve. Abhi to when I take the session, she brings the tea also. Like she's amazing, amazing, amazing. मतलब मुझे पहले ऐसा लगता यार उसको दर्द ही नहीं है यार बेटी है मेरी. But now the things are changing. See. So this is amazing. Now I'm totally free from my all the responsibilities and all. Like वो अपने आप खाना ले लेती है पहले वो नहीं लेती थी. So now she is doing everything by her own. Right? So you will also see the change. So this is I'm giving you one example. So your situation, your problem could be like different. It could be related to relationship or health, whatever you want to resolve. So where we were. Okay, so reading from the beginning. When you have finished making your list, choose 3 things from your list to focus on today and one at a time. So again, you will have to start with one only. One at a time. Imagine that each item has been magically done for you. Imagine that all people, circumstances, and events have been moved to do it for you. And it is now done. Tathastu, tathastu, tathastu. All done, all sorted, all solved for you. And you are giving massive thanks in return for it having been done. Spend at least 1 minute on each of your 3 items, believing it is done and feeling enormous gratitude in return beforehand, right? So you can follow the same practice on the rest of the items on your list at another time. But there is power in simply putting the things you want done on the magical to-do list. Don't forget to put whatever you want to resolve. Don't do it in the mind only because you want to resolve it now. Earlier we didn't know about all these things. So that's why we could do in the mind. But this time, because we want to resolve this issue, it's done, guys. बहुत हो गया. Now this is the time to resolve your small issues. Because these things are taking a lot of time of yours. And as we are stepping into 2026, I don't any of my students to be like angry or agitated, frustrated or take tension. No. सब कुछ यहीं पे छोड़ के जाना है in 25 में. We have to leave all these negative things, all these things in 2025 only. 26, we will be stepping into 26 with a lot of gratitude, with lot of magical
Yes,
powers,
ma'am.
with lot of gratitude, with thankfulness for people, for situation. We will accept the way the things are. And we will be grateful for each and everything. each and every small thing, big thing. And we are going to resolve all our issues. So still we have like 15 days left. Okay. So remember that the law of attraction says like attracts like. If you are thinking anything negative, so why it was happening? So now again the same example, why it was happening. The more I was telling her, Tanya, you should not do this, Tanya, you should not, you always do this, you always keep all the things scattered, the whole room is like cluttered all the time whenever I enter into your room. So why things were not changing? Because I was a magnet of negativity. So it was increasing. The more I was trying to decrease it, the more it was increasing. At that time, I didn't realize that why it is happening. The more I'm trying to suppress it, the more you resist, the more it persists. जितना आप उसको वो करोगे वो उतना और बढ़ेगा. राइट? वो पॉइंट को देखते जाओ, देखते जाओ, देखते जाओ. It will grow, it will expand. Wherever your attention goes, energy flows and that thing grows. Law of attraction, like attracts like. So that's why it was increasing, right? So now remember that the law of attraction says like attracts like, and that means when you are grateful for the solutions, when we are grateful for the solutions as though you have them, you will attract everything you need into your life to resolve the solution. Focusing on problems attract more problems. You have to be the magnet to the solution, not the magnet to the problem. If you are a magnet to the problem, you will have more problems. If you are the magnet of the solution, you will have the solution. The whole universe, the people, the situation, everybody is going to help you out to resolve your problem. Being grateful that you have the solution and that it has been resolved attracts the solution. It will attract the solution. God will send something. It could be in the form of people, it could be in the form of opportunities. Something will happen and you will be able to come out that situation. To demonstrate how powerful this magical practice is, I want to share a story with you about my daughter. So Rhonda Byrne is saying she will be sharing one story. Who used this practice to attract her lost wallet back to her. Okay, so she's talking about her daughter. She lost the wallet and she got it. She got it back. So how did it happen? Look at this. After being out one night, my daughter discovered the next morning that she did not have her wallet and she had no idea where she might have lost it or even if it had been stolen. She called the restaurant where she went to dinner, the taxi company she used to come home, the local police station, and she searched the streets and knocked on surrounding doors, but no one had found her wallet. So Rhonda Byrne's daughter lost her wallet somewhere and she tried to find it everywhere. Police station, where she went for the dinner, restaurant, taxi company, right? So she tried to figure it out like where it was, but it was of no use. Other than the fact that my daughter's wallet contained the usual precious things in it, including all her bank and credit cards, driver's license, and cash. Her biggest concern was that her wallet contained no current contact information. So there was no information about her. Because she had been overseas for some time, she didn't have a publicly listed phone number. And with a common surname, there seemed to be no hope. So there was like no hope of getting it back because there was nothing like credit card, debit card, all those things were there, but there was no like information about her. So that's why there was no hope to get it back. But despite the seemingly impossible obstacles, my daughter sat down, closed her eyes, and got a picture of her wallet in her mind. She visualized that she was holding her wallet in her hands. She opened her wallet. She went through all its contents and she felt enormous gratitude that she had her wallet and everything in it back and in her hand. Right? Because she used to do that gratitude, so she knew it that how she had to do it. So she sat down and she visualized it as if it is coming. It has already come. It is in her hands. What is the content? in her wallet? What are the things there in the wallet? So she's visualizing each and everything. She's not getting panic कि गुम हो गया, गुम हो गया, गुम हो गया, kind of. She's being grateful. So for the rest of the day, whenever she thought of it again, my daughter imagined she had her wallet in her hands. So she did it 2 3 times. She visualized it, and she felt enormous elation and gratitude that her wallet had been returned to her, as if she has already get it. She has already got it back. So later that night, she received a call from a farmer who lived 100 miles away, saying that he had found her wallet. The extraordinary part of this story is that the farmer had found the wallet in the street outside my daughter's home in the early hours of the morning, and he immediately searched the wallet looking for contact details. He made several calls in trying to find its owner, but to no avail. It was of no use, and so he gave up and drove back to his farm with the wallet. He went away back with the wallet because he tried, but he couldn't find out the owner of that wallet. But while he was walking out in the fields at his farm, the wallet kept nagging and nagging at him. सो वो कुछ होने लगा वैलेट में, कुछ वो हिलने लगा और वो कुछ उसको लगा कि नहीं, इसके ऑनर तक इसको पहुंचाना है, बिकॉज शी वॉज डूइंग दैट ग्रेटिट्यूड प्रैक्टिस एट होम by sitting at home only, right? So the wallet kept nagging and nagging at him, and he decided to search through it one last time. So he thought that one more time, one last time that I should try. He found a small piece of paper with a man's Christian name written on it. And so he put the Christian name together with my daughter's surname. Now, अपना वो दिमाग लगा रहा है कुछ कुछ करने के लिए, right? And called directory assistance. There was just one listing for that Christian name and surname. The farmer called the phone number, and it was the home of my daughter's father. My daughter's father. I don't know whether she's talking about father or father in law. To this day, we don't know how the farmer got that phone number because it was an unlisted number. That number was unlisted. We called directory assistant ourselves several times after this happened, and the response every time was sorry, there is no listing for that name. To see how like amazing, amazing, amazing. वो कोई है ही नहीं, कोई इंसान ही नहीं है, कोई मतलब कहाँ से आया, क्या हुआ, nobody knows. But she got her wallet back. So see how the universe moved for her, for making it happen for her, to bringing it back to her. पूरा यूनिवर्स हिल गया, देखो उसका उसका वैलेट उस तक पहुंचाने के लिए. हाउ डिड इट हैपन? कैसे हो गया? nobody knows, because of her gratitude only. From 100 miles away through the most extraordinary sequence of seemingly impossible events. So this is something extraordinary. That is a sequence. कैसे वो होता चला गया, कैसे वो wallet उस तक पहुंचा. Impossible events. My daughter's wallet was returned to her intact. She fulfilled her part in being grateful that she had her wallet back. And as must happen, gratitude performed its magic. Gratitude ने अपना काम किया. See, gratitude performed its magic and moved every person, circumstance and event to return her wallet to her. पूरी दुनिया घूम गई उसका वैलेट पहुंचाने के लिए. The magical power of gratitude is available for you to use as well, and it always has been. You just had to discover it for yourself and learn how to use it. You have to learn it. That is a learnable skill. Doing gratitude is a learnable skill, and we are learning it. So we can learn it, right? So, magic practice number 18. So, what we have to do? So, the first practice that we always do, the magical to do list. The first thing that we have to do, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, and thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Create a written list of the most important things or problems you need done or resolved, whatever you want to resolve. Title your list the magical to-do list. Okay, so at the top of your journal or paper, you have to write the magical to-do list. Not to-do list, the magical to-do list, because you want to resolve it. You want it to make it happen. Choose three of the most important things from your list and one at a time. Imagine that each thing has been done for you, whatever you want to resolve, as if it is already done, and you have to be grateful beforehand. Spend at least 1 minute on each thing, believing it is done and feeling enormous gratitude in return. Right? Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, "Thank you for the best thing that happened during the day." Got it, everyone? So
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
first we have to make the list of whatever you want to resolve. Make a list of 10 things. Small things कि मुझे ये भी रिजॉल्व करना है, ये भी रिजॉल्व करना है, ये भी रिजॉल्व करना है. It could be related to health or people or relationship or circumstances or things, whatever you want to make it happen. Right? जो भी आप करना चाहते हो उसको. List of 10. And what is the topmost thing? On a scale of 1 on 10, on a scale of 1 on 10, 1 to 10, whatever you want to resolve the most. So you have to start practicing with that only. कि ये तो मुझे चाहिए ही चाहिए, इसके बिना तो मेरा नहीं होगा, मुश्किल है. Right? So you have to start from there. And you can resolve your all the 10 issues one after another, one after. What is the topmost that you want to resolve? You have to start with that. Be grateful for that. Understood, everyone? What you have to do? Understood? Okay.